Hey everyone, I'm on Woodstock Street. This street is located between Dickinson over there and Tasker Avenue here. It's a beautiful and quiet neighborhood. The street you see crossing is 20th Street, and up there is 21st. So walking down 6 block, you will find Broad Street for the orange line. This is South Philadelphia, one of the nicest neighborhood, and you are going to be close to everything. Here you have the orange line, 6 block from here. The airport is within 10 miles of the house, and the building was just renovated. It's a beautiful 3-story building, and it has a rooftop. Everything in here is modern, very energy efficient. I will take you inside the unit in a minute. But I want you to look at the street first. Okay, in a second I will get in and show you what we have inside. All right, as I get in, you'll see first it's a beautiful tile and hardwood floors throughout the unit. It's a beautiful hardwood floor and high ceiling. The house has a central mini split system, highly efficient. You get a lot of natural light coming through this huge window. The windows are dry pane. It's very good for noise and heat conservation. As a thick window, you don't hear any noise from the street. And this is the living area. You have open kitchen over there and an island. Everything in the kitchen is new and modern. Here, as I get into the kitchen, in the kitchen you have a dishwasher, stainless steel dishwasher, oven, upgraded countertop, and a backsplash, and a cooktop. Nice refrigerator, stainless steel with 2 drawers at the bottom. This is what it looks like from this end. It's a nice, beautiful house. Next to the kitchen, you also have a private space, patio. Very nice. This house has 2 baths and 3 bedrooms. You have 2 bedrooms and a full bath on the 2nd floor. I'm gonna show you that first. It's beautiful hardwood floor stairs. It's nice. In the first bedroom, here is this one. You have two huge windows for the natural light. It gives a great amount of natural light here. You have the split system for the air and heat. You also have this closet space for storage. Next to this bedroom, you have full bath with a beautiful tile floor and amazing tile wall and a deep bath tub and shower combo, nicely constructed. You have toilets. You have a beautiful sink, medicine cabinet, the mirror. As you walk in towards the next bedroom, you have this amazing machine. It is a heat pump dryer, very modern, very good for your clothes, washer and dryer, stacked up washer and dryer. You also have a sink. You also have this for your clothes, to dry up your clothes. If you like to hang it. Then the next is the bedroom. This bedroom window is facing the east side of the city. It's a very good sized bedroom. You have a mini split system in the bedroom, ceiling fan, and nice size closet. Then up to the next floor where you have a full bath and a bedroom. You have the door that takes you to the upper floor. Okay. As you finish the step, the door you see this, it will take you to the outside to the roof. I'll be showing you in a minute, but let's get in here and see what we have here first. And here you have this beautiful bathroom, huge, big size bathroom. It's a beautiful tile floor. It is a stored shower with a window for fresh air. It has a tile wall, sliding glass, very nice. Here on my left hand side you have toilets, vanity, it's beautiful. Both bathrooms floor is heated, it's a heated floor, so it is comfortable in the winter. You don't get cold, the floor doesn't get cold. And here also I have a huge closet space with a shelf. It's a walk-in closet actually, I could walk in here. Forgot to turn on the light, but it has slides. It's beautiful. It's hardwood floor in here. Shelf on the wall. to put things together. Then you have this amazing bedroom with 2 huge windows. You have a ceiling, nice, and you have the mini split for the heat and air. It's hardwood floor throughout, and from here you could go out to the roof. On the roof you have 2 outside space. The first one is here, the balcony at the back of the building. You could set up a chair and enjoy the fresh air by looking the city from here. You can also climb up and find an amazing rooftop with outlet for your devices, and here it is. Just got in. It's a beautiful floor. Very nice. The last space I would like to show you in this house is the basement. You have a huge basement for storage. Let's go down. All right. The last place I like to show you is the basement. You have very clean, dry basement for storing your stuff. Let's get in. Here is the basement. Beautiful. It's a concrete floor. Nice. And I say the house is insulated from outside, so it feels warmer in here. You have windows for the natural light. You have this big storage space. All right, I just showed you this beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath house in South Philly at 1550 South Woodstock Street. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the place. Thank you for watching.